Welcome to Ghazala's Food and Travel. Please do like and subscribe because it will help my channel. I have got a hidden gem for you today. It's called Krahi Handi Master. It's a little takeaway, a little restaurant, and it's all about freshly made food, about flavours, quality ingredients, customer service is first, and it's award winning. The head chef is Mr. Khadam Hussain. It's located on Clayton Road in Bradford, and I have to thank Bradford Geezer for recommending this, for actually watching his video. So thank you very much. So this is Karahi and Handi. It's a small place, not very big. It's very simply decorated, and here are some of the awards that Mr. Khadam Hussein's actually won. So that's a Just Eat winner for Best Takeaway. They were finalists in the Best Curry House in 2024. They've had articles written about them. You can see that. You know, it's all about the food here. It's all about the food and the quality of the food.
Yeah, this is chicken breast. This is chicken thigh. This is our keema. Breast keema. Leg keema. We use leg keema in cooking. Seekh kebab, Shami kebab. And I don't think anybody use leg meat. It's very expensive.
I do at home.
मैं
भी वही लेती हूँ leg वाला. हाँ.
आपको पता है what's the price difference?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, price difference है लेकिन
Yeah. So
maybe you know.
Yeah, we don't compromise on quality. So alhamdulillah.
और ये क्या है?
ये है गोभी है.
गोभी और
ये तोरी है. बैंगन है. Spinach है. We have lentils. सारा कुछ.
Then my wife's got to open the door, so when it's finished, she'll come.
Yeah. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी.
ठीक हो?
क्या बना रहे हो?
ये फिश कढ़ाई है.
अच्छा.
जी.
फिश कढ़ाई.
और ये चिकन कढ़ाई.
वाह.
सारे हमारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो फ्रेश होते हैं.
हाँ जी.
गार्लिक है, जिंजर है, ग्रीन चिली, रेड चिली, हरा धनिया, एवरीथिंग सारा हम सफाई का खास ख्याल रखते हैं.
बहुत अच्छी है.
हर चीज़ जो है हम जो इवन प्याज गार्लिक जिंजर सब वॉश करके हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. That's what you want to do.
हमारी मेन चीज़ें उन पे सबसे पहले हम सफाई पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. उसके बाद हमारा क्वालिटी फूड होता है और जो है कस्टमर सर्विस. हमारा हम थर्ड जनरेशन इन दिस बिजनेस.
Okay.
ये हमारे बाप दादा का काम है. पाकिस्तान जेलम शहर में मेरे वालिद साहब मेरे ग्रैंड डैड केटरिंग का कारोबार करते थे. सो वी टेक ग्रेट प्राइड इन आवर
Family tradition को carry on कर रहे हैं आप लोग. हाँ जी.
So ये I've been 50 years in business. Same business. Bradford से शुरू किया था. Blackpool, London.
Okay.
Came back as a retirement. So because I was brought up in Bradford, so I miss Bradford, so I came back to Bradford.
Okay. Came home. Yeah.
Yeah, back home.
That's good.
So
And you've got tandoor over there as well, haven't you? Yeah. Tandoor भी है उधर.
जी हाँ तंदूर.
या फिर तंदूर.
रोटी लगाएंगे तंदूर की नान चिली गार्लिक नान लाओगे फिर वो आपको फिर जो है ना वो
ठीक है.
ये लोगों ने कोल्ड रूम में बना कर रखे होते हैं. उनके पास कोल्ड रूम में नो कोल्ड रूम है. रोजाना अगर कोल्ड नाइट चीज़ें तैयार करता हूँ मैं. सुबह 5-6 बजे तक निकलूँ.
Wow.
तो प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग बाय दिस.
फिर हर रोज कितने बजे खुलते हैं?
6 बजे खुलता हूँ.
अच्छा.
फिर
सुबह
सुबह सोता हूँ मैं थोड़ा आराम करके फिर उठता हूँ फिर वही दौड़ लग जाती है क्योंकि प्रिपरेशन खोलने से पहले
प्रिपरेशन में ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है.
वही.
Definitely. So very kindly they've given us some of these. He was saying they're like potato bhajis, but I call them aloo pakode. Very simple, right? They look lovely. They smell amazing. Now I'm going to taste them. They're going to be really hot. So a little bit of the sauce on there. Look at that. It's really crispy. I can feel it's actually crispy. Mm. Very simple flavours, but done really well. I like a little bit more salt, but I think that's just taste, you know. But that is really nice. Look how nicely the potatoes actually cooked in there. Really gorgeous. I'm going to be looking at the keema now.
Right.
Is the mince.
Yeah, okay, mushroom.
Oh, mushroom pakora is going to be ready. There's our samosa being cooked.
And
Oh, here's the keema. Wow. Yeah.
ये देखो बैक का कीमा है, नो फैट नो ब्रिस्टल। आप सामने कोई इसमें लोग कोई बेसन डालता है, कुछ डालता है, कोई चीज नहीं डलेगी, इसकी कबाब बनेंगे।
Okay.
ये
अंडा भी नहीं डालते ना?
एक अंडा।
अंडा पता है क्योंकि कोई बाइंडिंग है।
ये बाइंडिंग के लिए। ये अदरवाइज यू कांट।
और क्या सब्ज मिर्च? सब्ज मिर्च डालेंगे?
ग्रीन चिली, क्रश चिली,
प्याज,
सारे मसाले, हाँ प्याज थोड़ा डालना,
लहसुन,
क्योंकि उसके लिए
वो तो मेरे कबाब मैं तो ऐसे ही बनाती हूँ। और जीरा मैं डालती हूँ।
जीरा, गरम मसाला हम जो अपना तैयार करते हैं।
और मैं सब्ज धनिया भी जरूर डालती हूँ।
वो सब इंशाल्लाह वो
Amazing.
जाएगा उसमें।
So this is like
आपको ये दिखाने के लिए कि कीमे का देख लो।
very good. This is leg mince meat, like lamb. Lamb होता है ना? Lamb होता है, sheep पाव mutton, yeah, mutton keema. Mutton keema, but they only use the leg meat, which has less fat and it's much leaner. And I think they keep it very simple.
हमारा गोश्त या कीमा जो होता है ना, ये भी जो
These are the kebabs, the kebab masala that I saw.
This is शामी कबाब, या शामी या चपली कबाब,
चप्पल
कबाब। तो ये हम थोड़ा पहले बनाकर रखते हैं क्योंकि इसी टाइम पे
जल्दी कुक हो जाते हैं। हाँ,
आप डन।
हाँ जी।
So
just smell it. Very nice.
अभी ठंडे हैं।
पता है कुछ वो नहीं, लेकिन they look lovely. काफी solid लगते हैं. Despite our efforts to try and say no more tasting food, the owner has insisted that we try one of these jumbo kebabs that you just showed me a minute ago. So I think we have to do it. He's doing it with a big heart, so we have to indulge him, I think. So let's try it. Put it there.
No, definitely. Thank you.
So here is the kebab, and I can feel it's crispy on the outside, but it's actually soft inside, which is just how a kebab should be. And I'm going to do a mixture of these two. So he gave us two chutneys. This is actually not so spicy, and so if you don't like spicy stuff, this is what you'd go for. This is actually quite spicy, but if you mix them both up, it's actually really nice. So there's that. Wow, that's quite melt in the mouth. Yeah. It's just like, that is absolutely amazing. Love it. Let's see that sort of crunchy on top. It's not super spicy, but it's actually full of flavour. Very nice. This is a little. बहुत मजेदार है। That's pretty nice. There is a kick of chili. It hits you at the end, I think, yeah? But as you're actually chewing it, it's just, you get all these sort of, it's a real mixture of flavours in there. It's just absolutely wonderful. Look, you can see the onion, so they don't chop it up finely. It's just like chunks of onion in here. And probably chunks of garlic, because they do use both of those. Mm. That is really, really lovely. I like that.
Very well often.
Oh, quite good. I promised the owner that we will come and sit in the restaurant and eat, because today we're doing a takeaway. We will come and eat here, and then we're going to try lots and lots of different things, hopefully.
हमारा नाम है फ्रेश गार्लिक ग्रीन चिली एंड ग्रीन डंगा ये उसको यानी गार्लिक चिली नाम है ये
और ये गैस वाला होगा, है ना?
ये गैस अभी ये जब तैयार होगा फिर आपको दोबारा
थैंक यू।
दिखा दें कैसे बनाते हैं
पानी लगा के जी जी पता है, वरना स्टिक नहीं होता नहीं।
इधर से
अच्छा इधर से करना, अच्छा अच्छा हाँ
नजर आएगी
ओ ये उधर लगाएंगे आप उस साइड पे। या
इस साइड पे लगाऊंगा ठीक
there's a plate. Wow.
ये है हमारा
कवर किया बस
ये
पता है मेरी अम्मी ने एक खुद तंदूर बनाया था
अच्छा।
अपने बैक गार्डन में।
तो हमारा ये फ्रेश सैलड होता है हर रोज हम ताज़ा काट के यहाँ से सर्व करते हैं
Excellent.
अब जब नान तैयार होगा फिर मैं आपको प्रेजेंटेशन भी होती है ना
Oh yeah. Lovely. Very beautiful. Mashallah.
ये आप जरा थोड़ा इसको फ्लेवर भी ये
Thank you.
एक साइड से ना ले 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 तो थोड़ा और लो
नहीं मैं चल थोड़ा मैं
क्योंकि फ्लेवर चेक कर
ये मैं फ्लेवर तो होगा, डोंट वरी।
जब
Which is absolutely gorgeous flavor because we tasted it.
ये आपका आ गया नान जी आप साथ लेकर जाएंगे ये मेरी तरफ से होगा
This is a complimentary naan that the wants us to taste. So.
ये करी
Here is the finish.
अच्छा बाज लोग जो होते हैं कई तैयार करते हैं इतना तेल होता है उसमें फिर मैं उस बाद में हाँ बहुत तेल हमारा इतना ये नहीं है कि ये हमारा अभी गरम मसाला ये ख़त्म हो गया हमारा इतना ये नहीं है कि Be honest, Adam.
But yeah, this is for my wife, so yeah, that's spot on that. That's for my wife, that one.
Thanks, Adam.
Lovely. Like it, yeah?
Yeah, I love it. It's my,
So-
my wife's favourite, so
Oh, the owner actually
So,
gives little
she's
tasters
really
of the
good when
food
he
he
eat all.
cooks. He gives tasters of the food he cooks before he actually gives you the food, so you can actually check it for seasoning, etc., which is amazing. You can tell this was really tasty because that's just gone down quick.
Spot on. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
So here is the menu for Krahi and Handi Master. Take your time to look at it. You can pause it if you want. I just want to say that I've never met, an owner of a restaurant and a chef who is so down to earth as Mr. Khadam Hussain is. He's absolutely amazing. He is genuine. And he's a true master of his craft. I'm just blown away by everything that I actually ate from that place, and that is a hard thing to achieve, where every single item that you prepare is so delicious. But he has had 50 years of experience, and absolutely amazing. So I'm going there again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and click your notification bell so you can keep up to date with all my videos. Please visit my channel because there's lots of videos, lots of shorts. Have a look at my playlists because I'm sure you'll enjoy a lot of the content on there. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please send me a comment, and I will see you next time.